Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a new launch from Hunkydory for you. This is called Butterfly Dance, and when I tell you this is the most incredible collection, oh my goodness, you're going to want to watch all of this video. It's just amazing what they have come up with for this launch. So if you enjoy seeing new products as and when they launch, if you enjoy the odd tutorial, if you enjoy Happy Mail videos, please do make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people, and all I like to do is share amazing products, build a nice community and put out fun little videos. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and without further ado we're going to jump straight into this because my goodness, this is the most incredible collection. So as I said, this is called Butterfly Dance. I'm going to start with the 8x8 pad because this took my breath away. So this is double-sided. Okay, so this is one of the first sheets, but look on the back. Oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. Honestly, I have spent the last 5-10 minutes going through my box of bits for this design team pack, just exclaiming and getting it all out my system to try and be a little bit more restrained now, but I can't promise anything. Okay, the next one is this, again, absolutely stunning. Look at those greens, look at the texture in that pad, and then look at those images and colours. And then on the back we just have this really simple design, but it's so beautiful. So we have several of those. Next up, would you look at that colour. Oh my goodness, I love this butterfly and this one. Oh, I just love all the butterflies. Give me all the butterflies. These are just beautiful. And then on the back you've got, I'm going to say peonies, I'm probably wrong, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Okay, next up we have this one here. I feel like it goes this way. So we have the purple butterfly up in the tree, and then down here we have the green, and we have this really pretty, delicate, entwined bit on what looks like lace. Probably not, but you know, take it as you will. And then on the back we have even more butterflies. How amazing are they going to be to fussy cut? You know I love fussy cutting. These are going to be so well used. I absolutely love this. It's so beautiful. Then, oh my goodness, would you look, I just love these colours together. Look how gorgeous that is. You've got the teal, you've got the pale peach, you've got a slightly darker pink up here. It's just so beautiful. Look at those butterflies, look at the detail and the colour on them. Oh my goodness, I'm literally in heaven right now. Over on the back, this is what we have. To be honest, on this one I can see me only using that side because I'm just absolutely in love with this design. But that's just me, everyone is different. This is the next one. Again, look at those butterflies. Are they not just so beautiful? Look at the background, it's almost like it's snowing. So pretty. And then on the back, kind of reminds me of a peacock, don't know why. But look at the ombre effect going through this. We start dark, we go lighter in the middle, and then we go dark again. This is just so beautiful. I know I sound like a broken record, but oh my goodness. Okay, next up we have this one here. Again, they are absolutely stunning. Look at the colours on those butterflies and the flowers. Look at the background. Look, the camera really draws you into that background. It's a lot more subtle to the naked eye. It's really interesting actually, looking through the camera and then looking. It does definitely draw you in more on the camera, but my goodness, it's just so pretty. And then on the back we have these flowers. Again, very easy to fussy cut those. Okay, next up we have, let's put it, I feel like it goes this way. So again, we have the really delicate, beautiful little butterflies on their leaves, and then we have like the petals, the flowers up here, and then the dark border. Isn't that just beautiful? And then on the back we just have the blue. Again, the camera really pulls out the detail of the pattern. To the naked eye it's a lot more subtle. I guess my camera is just quite strong, I don't know. Okay, and oh my goodness, would you look? Isn't that just, oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Again, the camera's really picking up this bit. It's quite subtle to the naked eye, but I love these. Absolutely love these. They're so beautiful. And then on the back, again, I love the colours. I love how the colours are all working together. I love the blues with the purples with the pinks. I think it's really, really working so nicely. The designers are so clever. Okay, next up, we have this one. I don't know. Maybe it goes that way. I'm going to say it goes that way. I like the polka dots. I love the texture you've got, the movement. I love you can almost feel how soft these are. I know that sounds really ridiculous, but almost in your mind's eye you can reach out and touch them and feel how soft they are. And then look how beautiful those butterflies are. On the back we have the real beautiful blossomy flowers. This is so spring-like, such a change from this dull and dreary day that I've got today. And oh my goodness, look, I love the colours on this again. The pale blue going down to the purple. I love the colours on this butterfly. So pretty. And then again on the back, all those butterflies ready to be fussy cut if you so desire. And then this is the last one that I have. I feel definitely like it goes that way. I kind of feel like I want to cut down there, fussy cut that, and cut along there. Get rid of that bit and do something just with that. So that will have to be investigated, I think. And then look at the ombre effect on the back of that. Isn't that just beautiful? So that is the 8x8 pad that came as part of the collection. And when I tell you, Hunkydory have absolutely pulled it out of the bag for this collection, I am, oh my goodness, I was amazed at what came out of my box. So I'm just trying to separate some things off. So first of all, we have some adorable scoreable in the colourways of the collection. That is the adorable scoreable that I have. And then they've also sent me some mirror card. It's going to be a glare obviously, but I have 2 in silver. I have 2 in like an apple green. I have 2 in this like purpley colour. I have 2 in a dark blue. I have 2 in a dark purple. I have 2 in like a light blue, and then 2 in like a pink. There is some acetate with this collection, so I'm going to show you that now. I'm just going to grab some adorable scoreable to use so you can actually see what I'm showing you. So I think I've got 2 each of these. This is the first one. This is acetate. Look at that. You can get your markers out, you can colour that, you can do all sorts with that. Isn't that beautiful? So that's an A4 sheet of acetate. So I've got 2 of those. Then we have this one, which is really, really busy, but look how beautiful that is. Would you look? Isn't that amazing? So you have that one. Then you have 2 of these ones. Look, isn't that just stunning? All of these are A4. Really, really beautiful. And this is the last one. This is actually my favourite. I quite like the simplicity of that one, and I've got 2 of those as well. I really, 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 really like that. I just think it's so beautiful. Make a nice wedding card is kind of what I'm thinking. So we have those. I'm going to have to try and think how to use those on a card. As always, everything that I make using these will be at the end of the video, so you can see what I have been making. Okay, so because it's a collection, you do have cardstock and foiled cardstock with this collection, so this is one of them. And this one, I definitely feel like I want to fussy cut that top panel off, put it up on foam pads, maybe fussy cut this one but then I kind of would have to try and fussy cut around there, and then I'd have a spare butterfly. I'm not sure. I definitely want to make that a feature somehow. So anyway, we have 2 of those. I have this one, which is just incredibly beautiful. This took my breath away, I'm not going to lie. Then we have this one, which is just blue. It's beautiful. Look at these. Just stunning. We have this green one, which kind of shouts at me a fold back card, but we'll have to kind of see. Don't really know yet. So we have that one. Then we have this foiled card. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Could you want anything more? I mean, honestly, how incredibly beautiful is that? Love it. And we have this one again. This is foiled. See the foiling there. Again, this one I feel like I want to cut down here, maybe cut around there, cut along there. Don't know. That's just my first what jumps at me when I see these. Oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I love it. I think this one is my favourite though. Look. I love the colours, I love the foiling, I love that bottom intricate bit. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So that is the cardstock. Then we have some topper sets. So we have Glistening Jade, which is this one. So we've got some edger strips in there, we've got a load of toppers and a load of sentiments. And then we have Amethyst Wings. Again, the nice long edger strip, really beautiful toppers and sentiments. Then we have Sapphire's Serenity, no edger strip, but look how beautiful those are. Just incredible. Then we have Teal Tranquility, my absolute favourite. Look, those edge strips, oh my days. This is definitely my favourite. This is going to be one special card when I work out what I want to do with it. So those are the topper sheets, but I'm still not done. No, because we also have some embellishment sheets. So we have Fluttering Wings embellishments. So these are just toppers you can pop out. So that's on foiled cardstock. Then we have the same again. This time they're not foiled. Still not done. Then we have them on parchment. Oh my word, you guys, look at these. And then, now this one did have me going, no way have they done this. They have done them on acetate as well, that you can just pop out. How clever is that? I was just like, no way. So what I want to do with these, I want to get my glitter out. So this is going to take me hours because I'm going to have to individually glue and individually glitter these. But that's what I want to do. I kind of want to do like a stained glass something. Well, that's my plan. It might not come off and it might end up like just not happening and going in the bin, but that's kind of what I want to try and do. But how beautiful are they? Oh my goodness, so spoiled. Hunkydory have absolutely knocked this one out of the park. It's just incredible. So that was a first look at Butterfly Dance. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Are you as absolutely gobsmacked as me? Oh my goodness, I just cannot wait to get started. So thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.